Okay, good morning. This is low. Is that better? That's better. Okay, so let's begin. And I think I want to go here. And so what is this? That's a state. Okay. And then onboarded. Okay, and then this goes to a new state. Nope. Oh, is this? Oh, I see. So, onboarding. What do I want to do here? I feel like I actually want to do more than just onboarding. Do you make just one huge? What do we call this? Just machine for now. So add business added. Onboard can be the state. Okay, and then onboarding complete. And then I want to add a new onboarding completed. And then this guy is going to have like, is that the next thing to do? So if you have all those, I guess you can onboard. I mean, maintain or operate maybe. And that's going to have a bunch of different activities. And this is going to be the main machine, I suppose. So you create an account was created. You add a business, the business was added. And I can like put these here. Okay. And then the onboarding was completed. And then what do you do after that? So Operate would be add job. And what? Add, or I guess we can say add employee includes adding their availability. So we can remove that guy. So let's start with just that. And then job added. So what happens after that? Let's look at some more types here. Yeah, so this is kind of what I want.
States can contain more states, known as child states. These child states are only active when their parent state is active. Child states are nested inside parent states. In this video player machine, the open state is a parent state, and the stopped, playing, and pause states are all child states of the open state. The video player will only be able to be stopped, playing, and paused while it is open. To add a child state, you can either select the parent state where you want to add a
Oh, so a parent state is a video player. So, do I have this open elsewhere? I feel like I do. Yeah, I do. Okay, so job added, and then so job in progress would be a parent. What is a history? Okay, so then this guy child state, there we go. So when a job is in progress, what's going to happen? So job added, it's kind of the basic state. And then here, I do like actually this should just go. So the weird thing is you can do more than one of these. So operate how do you use how do I articulate what I'm trying to say? With states, there should be a way to represent that there's like loops or cardinality, because like the operate state is going to have one or more add job states. But the thing is like, to get out of operate, you have to close your account. So this is not it. That's kind of it, and then that goes away. Okay, so I have job added. Let's think about what else. So job added. Or that's not maybe that's fine. So what's the next step? Once a job's been added, there needs to be a notification. Entry action. I think that's what I want. Notify customer. Okay. I'll just move this way down because I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of stuff in here. So notify customer. And then what else? Oh. Okay, that's better. So notify customer and then time. How do you create like a... What would the event be? So it's like a chronological event, which is to say something like before job about to begin, but like maybe scheduled. See, that's interesting because every time so this actually should not. Oh. Okay. So job scheduled. And then this one gets the action. Okay. So as soon as it's scheduled, and then the next thing here is sites. What would this be called? So arrival photo sense. Okay, and then departure. Okay. So the arrival photo sent, and then here, and then that's the final. Okay, and then this guy. God, these are not the songs for me. I'll figure that out in a second. So job added, job scheduled. Notify customer, arrival photo sent, employee arrived. Or job started. Okay. And then this is not an appropriate way to model this, or at least it doesn't feel it, because you shouldn't. I guess you're in the operate state, but you can have like multiple jobs at the same time. So let's figure out parallel states. There's like or maybe that's just you don't represent your entire state machine like this. So like this is onboarding completed, and then that's finished, and then this is the job machine. Yeah, that might make more sense. Okay, so like little tiny state machines. So if I were to start this guy, how would I do it? If we were to look at the code in TypeScript. I mean, this is close enough to JSON. Yeah, I feel like I would want to model this in JSON because I'd want to come back here and just like paste this in. I need to read about the actor model because like I presume. Okay, let's take a look at. Or maybe I need to take a look at some of the examples, but okay, so that's fine. So then what's next? I feel like what's next is, if we go to, well, what's next? Probably getting rid of a lot of these. What is that? Okay. Okay. So let's keep that at the end always, or at the beginning always. It's probably easier. And the next thing to do is to add the calendar scope. Oh, I need to create a dashboard route with cards. Okay. So here I no longer need home, or maybe home is the dashboard. Yeah, that's probably true. And how do you give it a name? I guess it's just named in the root as home. Okay. And here, I want to look up some cards. Card headings, eh? What would be in these cards? Okay, so I need a, why isn't that H1? I feel like the semantics of it should be H1. And then these should all be like sections. Anyways, I'll just start with this. So this should be in a div. Why doesn't it format this? Why am I doing this? Oh, because that. There we go. Okay. So this should be our 3 services, employees, and clients. Okay, and then this should be okay. And then what's the light gap? I don't know if this is what I want. Okay. Best viewers, thank you. Italo 186465. So each of these should have like P2. It's probably a good start. Oh, and then I need a border. And then okay. And what is it? Hero icons? And where is something that could be used like a service? A wrench might be the thing to use. Yeah, the wrench might be it. But I don't know if I need that right now. I need unordered list. Or I just want little badge. Okay. So what is this actually representing? Checkbox, I guess. Oh, there's no value. Right. Okay. And then this is a label. And then I don't need to show that. I just represent it. But I guess what I can do for now is just that. And then okay. Okay. And then what else? Employees. Oh, do you need the 4? You don't, because you've got it encapsulated in here. Why does this look so bad? So I guess the first thing is there are so many styles on. Oh, that's not. Headless UI tabs panel. Yeah, okay. Buying this is definitely necessary. Snow removal. Then what else? For the employees. Oh, that's weird. There's like no. The height of pics is like full width or height. That's weird. Okay. And then once you've done all that, then you can So I think invite employee. Okay, so then they just maintain references. Okay. And they would be listed as an employee too. Invite clients. So inviting an employee also starts a state machine. And inviting a client. But do I care about modeling those? It's too repetitive. These are not the... Maybe I just need like chill out music here. That works. It's hard to think about the flow of this. I feel like I don't want to manage any data here. I want it to all be in a profile from Google. So what would that look like? Flex call is such a, or flex is such a weird thing. I don't think you intend to use it 99% of the time. So employees is a div, button. Oh, let's just do label. That's weird. Okay. And then can you get the name of, I guess you can't. And then
And you know the sunset and fire.
I guess this would be
Just like they say, nothing good ever lasts. Well, go on now and kiss it goodbye, but hold on to your love because your heart's bound to die. Go on now and say goodbye.
and then an
to our
icon to
town,
indicate.
to our town. Can't you see the sun setting down on our town, on our town? Good night. Up the street beside the red neon light, that's where I met my
Okay.
baby on one hot summer night. He was the tender and ordered to appear. It's been 40 years and I'm still sitting here. But you know the sun's setting fast, and just like they say, nothing good ever lasts. Well, go on now and kiss it goodbye, but hold on to your lover 'cause your heart's bound to die. Go on now and say goodbye
Okay.
to our town, to our town. Can't you see the sun setting down on our town, on our town? Good night. It's here I had my babies and I had my first kiss. I've walked down Main Street in the cold morning mist. Over there is where I bought my first car. It turned over once, but then it never went far. And I could see the sun setting fast, and just like they say, nothing good ever lasts. Well, go on now and kiss it goodbye, but hold on to your lover 'cause your heart's bound to die. Go on now and say goodbye to our town, to our town. Can't you see the sun setting down on our town,
Okay.
on our town?
So
Night.
this one. So then they would manage their own availability. And these like
I bring 'em flowers about every day, but I just gotta cry when I think what they'd say. If they could see how the sun's setting fast, and just like they say, nothing good ever lasts. Well, go on now and kiss it goodbye, but hold on to your lover 'cause your heart's bound to die. Go on now and say goodbye to our town, to our town. Can't you see the sun setting down on our town, on our town? Good night. Now I sit on the porch and watch the lightning bugs fly, but I can't see too good. I got tears in my eyes. Leaving tomorrow, but I don't wanna go. I love you, my town. You'll always live in my soul. But I can see the sun setting fast, and just like they say, nothing good ever lasts. Well, go on, I gotta kiss you goodbye, but
Okay.
I hold to my lover 'cause my heart's about to die. Go on now and say goodbye to my town, to my town. I can see the sun has gone down on my town, on my town. Good night. Good night.
I like that. Okay. So what else should I do? This is probably all you need for and then this should be a calendar.
So many times I've let you down, so many times I've played around. I tell you now, they don't mean a thing. Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing for you. When I come back, I'll wear your wedding ring. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go. Now the time has come to leave you. One more time, let me kiss you and close your eyes. I'll be on my way. Dream about
Okay.
the days to come. I won't have to
And then I don't need an ad job.
about the time I won't have to say. Kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go.
Okay, cool.
I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Leaving
And then
I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go.
so that's the scheduler or administrator.
So many months and so long since I've met you. Don't even know what I'll find when I get to you. But suddenly now I know where I belong. It's many hundred miles and it won't be long. It won't be long. It won't be long. It won't be long.
Okay.
Nothing at all in my head to say to you. Only the beat of the train I'm on. Nothing I've learned all my life on the way to you. Only our love, it's over and gone. It's so many miles and so long since
What would the employee section look like? Let me take this.
It won't
Hmm. Oh, weird. Cool. Okay, so what? So probably that is a good view. So for each job, so when you create an event, hmm, okay, so start and end.
Little boxes on the hillside, little boxes made of ticky-tacky, little boxes, little boxes, little boxes all the same. There's a green one and a pink one and a blue one and a yellow one, and they're all made out of ticky-tacky and they all look just the same. And the people in the houses all went to the university, and they all got put in boxes, little boxes all the same. And there's doctors and there's lawyers and business executives, and they all get put in boxes and they all come out the same. And they all play on the golf course and drink their martini dry, and they all have pretty children, and the children go to school, and the children go to summer camp, and then to the university, and they all get put in boxes and they all come out the same. And the boys go into business and marry and raise a family, and they all get put in boxes, little boxes all the same. There's a green one and a pink one and a blue one and a yellow one, and they all made out of ticky-tacky and they all look just the same.
Okay, I will be back a little bit later.